What kind of shark is it? Oceanic whitetip shark. What kind of shark is it? Thresher shark. What kind of shark is it? Goblin shark. What kind of shark is it? Basking shark. What kind of shark is it? Sawshark. What kind of shark is it? Bullhead shark. What kind of shark is it? Gray bamboo shark. What kind of shark is it? Whale shark. What kind of shark is it? Hammerhead shark. What kind of shark is it? Great white shark. Oceanic whitetip shark. Thresher shark. Goblin shark. Basking shark. Sawshark. Bullhead shark. Gray bamboo shark. Whale shark. Hammerhead shark. Great white shark.